Yo, it's the podcast edwawuntswembu slash life asekazi. Sestrani esibabe sentshilo manje yabo. Case the plug igqiba unyaka yabo. So ndizixelela manje zofumana interviews namhlanje andidlali artist yabo. So ndizishaya ngeinterviews yabo. Guess what? Ndifumene time date man yabo. Umjita we hit song abesitana yabo. I'm gonna give him a chance azazise.
Yo. My name is Timer Day. Ingweleke Cheche Yamantiko. What's up? Yeah. Otherwise, ngwala bestrand yabo.
Okay, khomana mabo. Ngicela nje ukubuza khomana mane. Wena as artist la bestrand yabo. How do you feel about the KC plug yabo? Apha estrand yabo. How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel amazing bro about the KC plug. Otherwise, they go on social media most of the time. Yeah, I know. Yenze the iPhone day. Then now easily up and younger way. The grand sound wise vibe artists like new wave, old wave, young age man, old cheese, young wave, and the hype wire, and about young way positive.
Okay, khomana tell man, what is the most grateful way or grateful part or most exciting part about the KC plug? KC plug yabona indlela enza ngayo kanje okanye le artist ayihostayo it was dope.
Yeah, honestly as babe ngitshilo babili boy most of the time ngilandela kwi social media. Yeah. Mpondo Kid. Redfield. Kidio. Yeah, that's my top 2. And yeah, zizona nje siyenda enjoy kanti ku page kunasiko ku channel yabo ku YouTube. Then yeah, nezinye izinswembu bra especially neza battles OG zonke yabo. Zonke izinswembu but ngomna ngine top 3 yami endibalekile.
Tubalo music wena khomana baba. Do you have any music on the way yabo? Sizusana kuba utha Amen yabo. Do you have any music on the way future plans?
Yeah, Amen was released last year for Gepasika. About then this year some refresher ngoba sikhupha as a visualizer yakhe kwa Gepasika again. So yes, ke sa release emva kwakhe which is sinengoma ezithiwe sirelease emva kwakhe which is ekhaya no boom ekhaya last year ubomi kulonyaka yabo. So yes, there is music ozayo. Next release ingoma title yesintwana zami which is sizobe ndiyiperforma namhlanje nayo uyabo nje phana pha ngayo nase ndiperforma namhlanje. So yeah, ukhona music ozayo usemninzi. Otherwise bendisibana ku EP title umthandazo but ayo EP enzoyidropa is package. EP endidropa one by one lengoma nzoyidropa intwana zami pha ku EP yabo. So yes.
Okay khomana manje ndiyakuvuma khomana mane. Ndifuna nje ukubuza ne for the last time ane gqibesiyama ne. So nina as artists lapha estrand yabo ndiyabona bazenza event estrand yabo. How do you benefit you guys like as artists lapha estrand? Ni benefit kanjani as nina artists lapha estrand as bawuchina abawuze perform like how is the vibe like before kwenzeka event? Ngicela unithathe unibeke ba how do you guys benefit as artists asestrand?
Question.
Okay, khomana mditha ne. Nina as I'm saying ne nina as artists asestrand ne like do you guys have assets kwi-events lapha estrand nxa kuzohostwa event apha estrand? Do you guys have assets kwi-events lapha estrand?
Okay, ngizophendulela i-artist as a whole which is musicians, DJs and don't. Yeah, yes of course. Siyazifumana ezo chance wena tayami. Yeah, ziyafumaneka and zifunyanwa ngabantu abazideservayo. I can say uyabo if you are working yeah, I can say okanye maybe sometimes ANC everywhere. You see, you understand what I'm saying. So yes.
Okay, let's give a shout out to your podcast and I'm doing a podcast at /life as a cast. Let's give a shout out, man.
Yeah, shout out to wawunswempu
Slash.
/ life wasekasi.
Let's go.
Yo wawunswempu / life wasekasi. Ndisenswempu nangoku soba nswempu nangomso.
Let's go. Si out and masifine sijonga abantu nemculo uzawukhala at the moment and I don't know about wenzeka ntoni yabo. Cela ubuse la crowd bakwenzeka ntoni yabo. Kupheked strand yabo. If akho strand uphi. If akho KCD plug uphi. Kupheked strand. Let's go. Say budam. Bulela khoma na mane.